Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today, I want to share my experience with FintrexCap.com, a trading platform that I've been using quite a bit lately. If you're interested in crypto, Forex, stocks, or even commodities and indices, then you'll definitely want to stick around because I'll be going over what makes this platform stand out. So, let's start from the beginning. When I first signed up, one of the things that struck me was how quick and smooth the registration process was. I think we all know that some platforms can make it feel like a chore just to get started, but with FintrexCap.com, it was really simple. I just had to enter some basic info, and after the KYC verification process, which by the way was super straightforward, I was good to go. Within minutes, I was actually set up to start trading. I think that ease of onboarding really speaks to how much they value user experience right from the start. Now let's talk about the markets available on FintrexCap.com, because this is where it really shines. I was impressed by the variety here. You've got crypto, Forex, stocks, commodities, and indices, all in one place. For me, this is a huge advantage because I like to diversify, and I don't want to have to switch between multiple platforms to do that. For example, if I see a strong opportunity in crypto, I can take advantage of that right here. But if something interesting is happening in Forex, or even with commodities like gold or oil, I can jump into those markets without leaving the platform. Personally, I've been trading a lot of Forex and crypto, but having those extra options like stocks and commodities has been a game changer. It lets me keep my portfolio balanced and hedge against volatility in one market by investing in another. It's all right there on FintrexCap.com, and it really makes trading feel more cohesive and strategic. One of the things I love most about FintrexCap.com is the customization. Now, if you're someone who's used other platforms, you'll know that not all of them let you personalize your setup to fit your trading style. On FintrexCap.com, I can arrange my charts exactly how I want, and they've got a ton of indicators to choose from. Personally, I use moving averages and RSI as my go-to indicators, but they also have Bollinger Bands, MACD, Fibonacci retracement, pretty much everything you need if you're serious about technical analysis. And what's even better is that you're not just limited to a few indicators. You can layer them, adjust the settings, and even save your chart layouts. This means that I don't have to redo my entire setup every time I log in. It's ready to go whenever I am. I can't tell you how much of a difference that makes in terms of efficiency. If you're a trader who likes your charts just so, you're going to appreciate the flexibility here. FintrexCap.com also has a great alert system, which has saved me on more than one occasion. You can set up alerts based on price levels, trend changes, or specific asset movements. So let's say I'm watching Bitcoin and want to know if it hits a certain price. I can set that alert, and as soon as it does, I'll get notified. The alerts go straight to my phone, which is awesome because it means I don't have to be tied to my computer. I can be out and about and still stay in the loop on the assets I care about. And speaking of staying in the loop, the mobile app is another feature that has really impressed me. It's not one of those stripped-down versions that only lets you check prices or make a simple trade. This is a fully functional app with all the charting tools, trading features, and alerts you'd find on the desktop site. I've actually made some of my best trades while I was away from my desk, and having a mobile app that's this powerful makes a big difference. It means I can trade on my own terms, no matter where I am, and I don't feel like I'm sacrificing any functionality for convenience. Another big aspect of FintrexCap.com that I know a lot of you are probably wondering about is security. Let's face it, trading platforms handle sensitive data and your hard-earned money, so security is a big deal. FintrexCap.com takes security seriously. They use advanced encryption to protect your data, and they offer two-factor authentication, which I always recommend enabling. Two-factor authentication gives you that extra layer of protection, so even if someone did get a hold of your password, they'd still need your verification code to log in. It just adds peace of mind. And I've got to mention customer support. FintrexCap.com has 24/7 support, which is a lifesaver, especially if you're trading in different time zones. I've reached out a couple of times, mainly just with questions on specific features, and I've always gotten fast and helpful responses. They offer live chat, which I find super convenient because you can get immediate answers. They also have email support if your question is more complex. It's nice to know that if I ever run into an issue, I can get it resolved without waiting around. One last thing I want to mention is the variety of account types available on fintrexcap.com. They've got options for everyone, from beginners to advanced traders. I started with the standard account, which gave me access to all the main features, but they also have VIP accounts that come with additional perks, like priority withdrawals and exclusive tools. It's nice that they offer different levels, because it lets you start simple and upgrade as your skills and needs grow. So, to wrap it up, my experience with fintrexcap.com has been really positive. It's a versatile, user-friendly, and secure platform that gives you access to all the markets you need to trade confidently. From the customizability to the security features to the responsive support, it checks all the boxes for me. If you're in the market for a reliable trading platform, I definitely recommend giving fintrexcap.com a try. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to know more about my experience, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips and platform reviews.